Now, on Thursday, Dennis Itumbi caught many by surprise when he demanded to be allowed to play a video which he claims will vindicate him over his arrest and arraignment, as well as assist in the investigations over claims of an elaborate plan to assassinate Deputy President Dr. William Ruto.
It's a request that was declined, at least for now, by Nairobi Senior Resident Magistrate Zainab Abdul, as Itumbi was sent back to Muthaiga Police Station pending conclusion of investigations before he can be formally charged.
So what dossier is Itumbi threatening to unleash? What ramifications will this have? Who will have the last laugh, and who will be caught up in all this political mess?
Well, Duncan Hemba has been following some leads and headlines are broadcast tonight.
A video of the meetings at Lamada Hotel basement, Your Honor, with your assistance, I would want to play, because it would assist the whole of this thing they are trying to investigate, the video of the meetings, because it would prove that a member who works for my bosses has actually threatened the life of the Deputy President.
It is that shocking move by Dennis Itumbi in court on Thursday that no doubt is causing sleepless nights to some individuals in some quarters, if indeed the dossier he purports to unleash has any basis on the storm surrounding him. The video in Itumbi's possession is said to be about 8 minutes long and gives some details of a meeting said to have been convened at the basement of the Lamada Hotel along Thika Superhighway. The number of individuals in that video is about 6, and whereas Itumbi and his lawyers have a copy he readily wanted to table before court, more copies have been distributed to key members of Deputy President William Ruto's Tanga political wing.
There was never a plot by cabinet secretaries, but there might have been a plot by a cabinet secretary and a principal secretary, and that is a veracity that we want DCI and all other investigative agencies to investigate. There are certain characters, they are well known.
The team has narrowed into one cabinet secretary from Central Kenya and one of the principal secretaries as the chief masterminds of a matter that the DCI is probing, which has led to the arrest of Dennis Itumbi and another suspect as well. At the Muthaiga police station, where he's being held for 5 more days, access to Itumbi is tightly controlled, with Kasarani OCPD and Pangani DCI camping there from mid-morning on Friday to manage Itumbi